Up next in fourth place is the Carhartt Legacy. Your tools are your right-hand men when it comes to DIY or professional contracting work. This means that you need them within arm's length at all times. That's why we like the Carhartt Legacy Tool Belt, because it does a brilliant job of keeping all your must-have items well organized and close at hand. We like that this unit has 9 good-sized pockets with 6 loops and 2 removable pouches. It's capable of handling a wide range of tool types and is, therefore, suitable for many different jobs. Also, because your time is too valuable to be walking back and forth between toolboxes all day, there's even a metal hammer hook and tape measure holder that feel durable and will ensure you always have your most essential tools ready to go. Moreover, we like that the padded and contoured waist belt accommodates up to a size 42-inch waist, so it should fit well and be comfortable for any user. What's more, this thing is tough. It's built out of heavy-duty polyester with rain defender, durable water repellent imbued into the material, so you never have to worry about working in bad weather conditions. Even better, the triple needle stitching provides excellent reinforcement where it counts. There will be no chance of your tools suddenly falling through the bottom of this unit. When you need reliability, this is the tool belt to go for. Its pros are, it's got plenty of pockets, it's comfortable to wear, and it's very well made. However, its fastener position is more suited for left-handed use. The Carhartt Legacy is a practical product that will easily withstand daily use. Still haven't found a tool belt that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.